Earlier in a lesson, we learned how to spell the W sound with a W. Today, we're going to focus on a new way to spell the W sound. You can spell W with WH. Let's review our sound card for today.
Washer. Willie the washer washed white clothes all week. When he washed, he went. All winter, Willie worked well. But last Wednesday, Willie was weak. This week, he got worse. Poor Willie was worn out. Then a worker came and fixed Willie's wires. Willie felt wonderful. Now Willie can wash and wash wildly. How does Willie the washer sound now when he washes? Can you wash just like Willie?
All right, so we can also spell the W sound with WH. We even learned about this digraph in reading last week. I want you to stop and think, what are some words that you know that start with the W sound? I can think of a few. Whale, wheat, when. All of these have the W sound spelled WH. On the next slide, I want you to come up with your own WH words.